Welcome back, drone enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of aerial cinematography to bring you the top 5 most stunning drone footage videos that will leave you in awe. From majestic mountains to serene beaches, drones have revolutionized the way we capture the beauty of our world. So without further ado, let's soar into our countdown. Kicking off our list at number 5 is Sunrise over the Sahara. This mesmerizing footage captures the ethereal beauty of the Sahara Desert as the first light of dawn illuminates the vast expanse of sand dunes. The way the sunlight dances across the rippling sands is truly a sight to behold. It's a perfect example of how drones allow us to witness nature's grandeur from a perspective previously unseen. Next up at number 4, we have Glacial Symphony. Prepare to be transported to the icy realms of Iceland as we soar over glaciers and fjords, capturing the raw power and tranquility of this frozen landscape. The contrast between the crystal-clear ice and the deep blue waters is simply breathtaking. It's a reminder of the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems and the importance of preserving them for future generations. At number 3, we have City of Lights. This dazzling footage takes us on a nighttime journey through the glittering skyscrapers and bustling streets of a metropolis, showcasing the vibrant energy of urban life from above. From the neon glow of Times Square to the shimmering waters of the Seine, this video captures the heartbeat of a city in a way that's both exhilarating and enchanting. Coming in at number 2 is Wonders of the World. Prepare to be amazed as we soar over some of the most iconic landmarks on the planet, from the majestic pyramids of Giza to the ancient ruins of Machu Picchu. Seeing these wonders from a bird's eye view offers a new perspective on their scale and significance, reminding us of the ingenuity and artistry of civilizations past. And finally, taking the top spot on our list is Dreams of Paradise. This breathtaking footage transports us to tropical paradise, where azure waters meet pristine beaches and lush forests stretch as far as the eye can see. From the vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life to the towering waterfalls hidden deep within the jungle, this video is a true feast for the senses and a reminder of the beauty and diversity of our planet. And there you have it, folks, our top 5 stunning drone footage videos that showcase the beauty of our world from a whole new perspective. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible drone content. Until next time.